Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a brand poster in Canva. So if you wish to do this from the scratch you can, but that's going to be a way longer video. But if you wish to do it quickly and easily, just use templates on Canva. And in here just type in brand poster. Alright, and then just press on this button right here to start searching. And there you go guys, we have multiple posters in here. Some of them are premium, some of them are free. And if you wish to use any of them, just click on any, for example this one, a brand mood board, customize this template now. And now guys, from here, it's completely up to you what you want to do with it first. And now guys, it's up to you completely what do you want to do with it first. And then guys, it's up to you what you want to do with it. If you wish to change the text, you can just choose this text and type in something like my company. All right, and then just save that. You can change the logo, this little icon, you can change this text. If you wish to edit the images and replace them, press on the trash bin. If you wish to edit images, you can just delete these, right, like that, and add your photos or images in here. And also, if you wish to, as you can see, customize these slates and stuff, these little buttons, you can do that. So pretty much just customize this as you wish. If you wish to add other pages, maybe do something by yourself, you can do that too. And in here, as you can see, this is your start of your brand in here. So pretty cool thing, very easy to do with Canvas templates. If this video was helpful, make sure to follow us, we greatly appreciate it. And see you soon, guys.